Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in office space in the Galadari Building 17, located in Dubai Production City. At 1,862 square foot, finished to a high standard, this office is perfect for businesses requiring an open layout space. It comes with 2 partitions. Being a corner unit, it has plenty of natural light from the large windows. With a pantry and washroom attached, it has all the amenities required to create a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.